Hey guys, I'm gonna sing Payphone by Maroon 5. Hope you like it. Hold on, I'm just gonna get on. Okay. I'm not gonna rap the part because I didn't learn it that good. Oh wait, no, not that one because that guy. Alright, hope you like it. A beautiful trying to go home. I love my change has been on you. Where have the times gone, baby? You're so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You said it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And then all the time that you wasted, all of our bridges burnt down. I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever after did exist. All those fairy didn't you like this? All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Oh, you turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. Can't expect me to be fine, don't expect you to care. You know I said it before, but all of our bridges were down. I'm wasting my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Watch me fail at the rapping. Man, I was spending all the money while you sit around. Wait, nothing. Made it from the bottom, now you see me, I'm stunning. I can't do it, I'm sorry. Switch the number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name on my show, you can tell it I'm ballin'. Switch, what a shame, could've got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top or what you could've saw. But sad to say, it's over for. Phantom pull up, valet, open doors. Wish I go away, got what you was looking for. Now it's me who they want, so you can go and take that little piece of shit with you. Had a painful trying to go home, all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. And all them fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. I'm gonna rap super bass, so I'll show you that I can actually rap. Alright, hope you like it. Hold on.
Hey, all you Maxinistas, I'm Lindsay Calla. Fashion.
Alright. Hold on. Wait. Oh my god, hold on. Ooh. This one of the boys in the moon misses up top down. He see the cool swimming coming the club, but believes in her. Guys after like he's saving up any real he might get a deal. He pop balls and a rack and a bill. He go in it and my circle go with the air and their fly coach. They sell a shit. We made you kiss him on the lip. That's the kind who does like a phone. And yes, I get slapped if look up. I said, excuse me, you're I mean, my pelican flat in me, so shy in a lovely time. Maybe sick of the guy with the thing on his eye. Oh, yes, I did. Please tell me to the F is and Mickey Minaj and Mac the Dudes. That coops. Boy, you got my heart beating running away. Beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Can't you hear the booming up, away? You got that super bass. Booming up, away. You got that super bass. Boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam. Away. You got the super bass. Booming up, away. You got the super bass. He's one of the boys in the power labs. Like they were my goals. I think it was a call with the solo. I think like it was a solo. And I think a bit of it with a fixed cap on. He ain't gonna try to like, oh, he ain't gonna give me that look. Gonna give me that look. Excuse me, you'll have a guy. You really like think for American guys. I mean, sorry. Was sick in the minds. Then we search for the feminine side. Yeah. Yes, I did. Please step to the FI is. I'm making an eye. She make the dudes up. Back oops up. Happy you're running away. Beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Get you hear the booming up, away. You got the super bass. Booming up, away. You got the super boom, bada, boom, bass, boom, bada, boom, bass, boom, bada, boom, bass. Boom, away, you got the super bass. Boom, away, you got the super bass. Never need you in my life for me to say. No, I know you'll say. No, don't go away. Boy, you got my heartbeat coming away. Don't you hear the heartbeat running away? Oh, you feel like booming up away. Oh, you hear that booming up away. Now you got my heartbeat running away. Beating like a drum and it's coming away. Can't you hear the booming up away? You got the super bass. Booming up away. You got the super bass. Boom. Alright, you get it. Just one more song. Ooh, yay! I love this song. Alright, Call Me Maybe. Wait, no. It's a parody. Bella, come on, you just went outside, dog. Alright, hope you like it. And, alright. We met this rapper online, he's so adorable, he's 9. The backup ladies, he's mine, you're getting in my way. He makes good videos too, invite him out to a shoot. His older brother is cute, so getting in my way. You love the lip gloss, hey, that's one that I brought. Hey, I can't tell from this spot, where you think you're going, pinch me. Hey, we just met you, and this is crazy. You're so adorable, thanks, but I'm not a baby. I bet all the other girls try to chase you. Look how precious and nice, but I'm not a baby. Hey, I just met you, and they're all crazy. I like your hat though, it's Maddie, baby. I'm used to all the boys, so it don't faze me. Take a picture, say cheese, Maddie, baby. I'm like, oh, I know I'm grown and big. I wanna do me, can I live? There's folks that I do wanna play with. Hey, Maddie, need a friend. Besides, I'm trying to clean my head. There's a rap stylist that I live. Hey, give me a big on tour. Win the cutest award. Hey, we're talking. Yes, that's why we're stalking. Let's go, and we're walking. It's going on YouTube. Oh, I give up. Hey, Steve met you, and this is crazy. I say this is the boys, and I'm not a baby. I'm another friend. Think you're amazing. Have a girlfriend or just a baby. Like, I just met you all, and you're very crazy. Here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other girls drive me crazy. You're the cutest teenage crazy town. The boy you came into my life, I miss him so bad. We miss him so bad. I miss him so bad. If I never realized, you know that. When you know that, where you're at. Alright, bye guys, and I hope you like this. Wait. 11 minutes.